Hi and welcome back. I'm GC, and in today's video what I'm going to do is show you how you can check your website on all devices. So if you're new here and this is your first time, then please go on the channel because there is actually a website software that you can use, and you could watch this video and then go and try it out on the actual demo. So what you'll need to do, you'll need to be in your editor. And when you're in your editor, if you go down to these three dots here and click on preview, and then this brings the preview screen up, and this is where you can check to see what your website, all your pages look like on mobile or iPad, or obviously your desktop. So what you would do is click these three dots here, click on mobile, and as you can see the software sets everything out for you, and this is what your website would look like on a mobile phone. And again, like I say, it's all coded for you, so you don't have to mess about with any code. And again, if we click on the three dots, we can see what the website would look like on an iPad, and then you can go again and then you're back to your desktop. So if everything's okay, then obviously you can publish, but if you need to obviously change things, then you can do. And to come out of preview, you would just come on and click on the X just in this corner here, and then that takes you back to where you would edit your website. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.